Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today's interview question is how to get unique numbers from the list. So to solve this question there are multiple ways. So I will show you here two ways. For example, I have one list of I have numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 1 2 3, then 4 5 3, 1 3 7 8 9 12 30 6 74, like that. This is our list, and what is our task? We want to get unique numbers from this list. So the easiest solution is you can convert this list to set. So here you will get output list, op list is equal to set list now, right? So with this, so we know that a set property, it can hold only unique numbers. So with this you will get unique numbers in that list. So I will run this. So now it is giving unique numbers from this list, right? But here order is not maintained. We know that in set order is not maintained. So other way of solving this, so I will comment out this code. So you can define here one empty output list, op list is equal to empty list. So this is the empty list. I will remove this code, and you will iterate on this original list for I in list num. And what you are going to do, you are going to check whatever the list element you are getting in these iterations, so is it present in this list? If it is present, so then you will not add, and if it is not present, you will add that. So how to do that? Using membership operator we will implement. If I not in, if I not in means if whatever the list element is there, if it is not part of this output list, then what we are going to do, we are going to append that, dot append I, right? And if it is part of the list, we are going to skip this and we are going for next iteration. In this way also you can solve this, and finally we will get our output list. Print. So now I will run this. So now here we are getting the list. So unique elements are there. Here order of elements is maintained. So in this way, in two ways you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.